Happy Tuesday, everyone. We're going to continue on with Rule 13. So yesterday we talked about Rule 13, and we said possessive nouns need an apostrophe. Now I told you there was another half to this, and today we're going to talk about that. The other part is possessive pronouns do not need an apostrophe. So let's remember what pronouns are. Pronouns are the words that we can replace nouns with, right? So those are the words like she, their, his, our, we, words like that. So possessive pronouns do not need an apostrophe. Now I've got a little review for you real quick over the possessive nouns because I don't want you to forget, just because we're not talking about possessive nouns, it does not mean that they do not matter. We will continue again with reviewing this tomorrow. So just as a refresher, singular nouns, you always add an apostrophe S. But if they're plural nouns and you're trying to show possession, if you're not trying to show possession, then don't worry about this. But if you're trying to show possession, if it ends in an S, then you add that apostrophe at the end. That's it. No apostrophe S, just the apostrophe. But if it ends in anything other than an S, then you add apostrophe S. So tuck that in the back of your head. That way you can pull it out tomorrow when we review it again. So possessive pronouns do not need an apostrophe. Here are some possessive pronouns that are used before a noun. So pronouns like my, your, his, her, our, and they. Or their, my bad. So examples of this would be our lunches, or my first bicycle, his favorite show. We use these particular possessive pronouns before a noun. So in this case, our lunches is the noun, so we know we need to use our. My first bicycle, well, the bicycle is the noun, and if my pronoun's coming before it, then I need to use my. I wouldn't want to say mine first bicycle. That doesn't make any sense. So these are the possessive pronouns that you can use as a standalone. They don't need to come before the noun that they're talking about. They can just be used without reference. So mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. So examples of this would be the blue pen is mine. Mine is it's standalone, right? It's not coming before pen, which is the noun. So I would not say the blue pen is my. That doesn't make any sense. Is the red bag yours? Same thing here. The possessive pronouns that you use before a noun, we've got my or your or his. But is the red bag yours? We add that S at the end because it's a standalone. We're not using this possessive pronoun before the noun, which is bag. And then the last one, after the little black bar goes away, the bouncy ball is hers. Hers is our possessive pronoun. We would not say her. The bouncy ball is her. That we're saying she is a bouncy ball. That doesn't make any sense. No. The bouncy ball is hers because that's how we're going to show possession, because hers is a standalone possessive pronoun. So we're going to practice this a little bit. The first one is that car, do we say hers or her? Well, I know it's coming after the noun, which is car. So do I say hers or her? Well, I can always go back if I need to, and I see it's coming after the noun, so it's a standalone. So I'm going to use hers. So I'll go back. Is that car hers? Yes. Now the next one says, blank lunchbox has the Avengers on it. Do I say my lunchbox or mine lunchbox? Well, mine is a standalone possessive pronoun. And I know lunchbox, that's the noun in our sentence. So I'm going to use the word my. A lot of these, if you just put both words into the sentence, you'll be able to hear that it sounds weird. But you can always go back to the last two slides where we talked about which nouns go or which possessive pronouns go where to help you out. Here's the last one. Blank dog is a golden retriever. Our dog or ours dog? Well, it's coming before the noun, which is dog. So if you said the word our, you would be correct. Our dog is a golden retriever. All right, so since we worked on possessive pronouns today, you're going to have a Google form over possessive pronouns. You'll go through, you'll read each sentence. Can I have milk with blank coffee? And you'll figure out which possessive pronoun goes in here. Now, I'm going to give you a little reminder here. if you choose an answer with an apostrophe, that means you did not listen at all. You need to go back and see the very, very first slide that we said possessive pronouns do not need an apostrophe. So do not let those throw you up. You'll be fine. Go through. If you have any questions, let me know. And then tomorrow we will continue working on all of Rule 13, not just pronouns. All right. Good luck.